Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, here we go. This is Spam. And that's diced up already. Oh, I'm way ahead of you guys. That is some tuna. This is Safe Catch, if you can read it, upside down. Those are some green olives. That's some shredded Mexican cheese. Those are 3 pasture-raised eggs that have been beaten and now rested for 5 minutes. Mike Foster here. You know what I'm making? It's another omelet. Do you know that my omelet videos have received almost 20 million views on YouTube? I'm not kidding. And they're worth watching. Watch them all, but watch this one first. This is a killer protein bomb made with Spam, tuna, 3 eggs, and cheese. That's a lot of protein. Probably close to 50 grams of protein. I haven't done the math yet. I'll let you know later if you want. Just ask me. Let's put this baby together. Meet you at the stove. Medium pan. Throw some butter on there. A little olive oil. Let's get that Spam in there. I'm going to McChisel this down. I've got a lot of oil and butter in here because I'm going to put other stuff in here. Let's get this cooked. And then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, I got some green olives. I'm just going to bust them with my hands. Put some of these in here. This will give you a little green stuff. You could use black olives. You don't even have to add olives if you're afraid to. Don't be afraid. There we go. What do you think? Get that all heated up. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, here's this beautiful tuna. I told you it was a protein bomb. Start busting this baby up. We're gonna get this heated up, and while that's happening, we're gonna get that omelet pan going. All right, this is for the omelet. We got a knob of butter. Okay, let's mix that all around. Make sure you got good coverage. Add a little olive oil to make sure you really have the coverage. All right, that baby's ready. There's 3 beaten eggs that I told you about. Get that all covered in there. All right, how's this doing? Yeah, let's move some of the goop around there, cover that hole. This is taking its time cooking, which is what you want. You're gonna add some pepper to this. It needs another 1.5 minutes, then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. All right, how are we doing? It's getting there. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good. There's just a little goop there. We'll let that ungoopify. A couple more minutes. And then we can add the cheese. For the cheese, spread it all around, baby. Put this, it's on medium. Let's put it a little below medium. Now here's this pre-cooked concoction of what was in it, guys? Spam, tuna, some green olives. This is gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that thing. All right, this baby's ready for the flipperoo. Are you guys ready for the flipperoo? I think you are. There it is. Oh my God, look at that perfect omelet. Shut it off in 30 seconds. That baby's beautiful. It's perfect. I'll meet you at the counter for the close-up and taste test. I've got to tell you, that's one of the best looking omelets I've ever seen. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Big bite coming up. There it is, guys. This is huge. I don't know if I can eat this whole thing. My goodness, but you know what's in it? I've said it a few times. Now it's going to be in me. Let's take a real bite. Let's be a man. I taste the eggs. I taste that tuna. Oh my God. The Spam is just hitching a ride. That's delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get some protein to start your day, this omelet is full of it. It's full of something, right? I say that is killer diller. Try this. Try all my recipes. I live life 365 at all my socials. Till next time. Sweet Babu and peace.
Live life 365.
That's for the outtakes. Okay, couple more. She said. I think it's nice. Why are you acting that way? Yeah, that's a knob. Baba, that cheese is getting ready to melt. That's what cheese does. I'm not kidding about that. It's gonna be loaded with protein. Watch the sodium. That's what she said. I don't know why she said it, but she said it. No one's saying she didn't say it. Hello, Francis. That's delicious. Now you can tell the truth, mate. Okay, is anyone looking? What do you really think? That was great. Amazing. Just what the doctor ordered. Did you say it? Did you say it yet? Baba.